My name is Aisha Johnson. I've been in Charlotte, North Carolina since 1988. I live here at Lake Miss Apartments. I've been living here since February the 5th, 2021. And prior to moving here, I was living in a hotel. It was about a year to get affordable housing. The feeling I had when I first moved into Lake Miss, it was amazing. It was awesome. It was just a feeling I haven't felt in a long time, being able to have my own place again.
The most important thing about affordable housing and the lack of it is that we don't often recognize it's our neighbors, the people that work every day in our healthcare system, our hospitality system, our public safety area, the people teaching our children. Their salaries are not sufficient enough to pay for rent in our city now.
Quite to our dismay, Charlotte was ranked rock bottom in economic opportunity and upward mobility. The Charlotte community came together with a group of citizen leaders that would study the issues for 18 months. The Leading on Opportunity report became a roadmap for our entire community to invest in economic opportunity and upward mobility. The first recommendation was to bring the publicly voted bond issue for affordable housing up from $15 million every 2 years to $50 million every 2 years.
And Michael and I had a conversation, and he challenged me after being elected as mayor to put this $50 million out there for the voters to approve.
But there was a twist. She challenged us to raise $50 million to match the $50 million by the voters. We were off and running. We began to raise the dollars from philanthropic-minded individuals and corporations. While the foundation may have had the expertise in raising the affordable housing dollars, we did not have the expertise in administering them. We needed a national partner with significant experience. And LISC has a fabulous reputation nationally for affordable housing.
LISC Charlotte is not only administering the Charlotte Housing Opportunity Investment Fund, but we're also working holistically in our neighborhoods. We're bringing our comprehensive community development approach to our target areas of Charlotte. The Charlotte Housing Opportunity Investment Fund is a private fund that consists of investors such as foundations, the health sector, major financial institutions, as well as the energy sector. The fund was created to leverage the dollars already being invested in Charlotte for affordable housing. But more importantly, it was created to be able to provide more units of affordable housing in Charlotte. The fund will be able to produce 1,500 units of affordable housing in Charlotte for families who are at 30 to 120% of area median income. That means families at $22,000 to $88,000 per year. The developers who are working with us through the Charlotte Housing Opportunity Investment Fund, they have a passion for being able to do this work.
I learned how inextricably linked some of the social challenges that some of these communities face are tied to housing instability. So CSE got involved with affordable housing. We are standing in the Westerly Hills development. It's called Evoke Living at Westerly Hills, 156 units, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. And so the rents are adjusted to be affordable for families that earn incomes in those ranges.
I think affordable housing is a sector of the real estate industry that absolutely allows us to do good work around placemaking and real estate, but also affect people's lives. 7th Street Apartments is an opportunity to deliver one of the most inclusive housing communities in Charlotte. We are 2 blocks from the light rail, the Charlotte Transit Center, and all the jobs and other opportunities for entertainment and lifestyle that we all look for in the communities that we search for and live in. So we're excited about being able to offer that to such a broad range of household incomes. We need to continue to work together as a community to do more because our fellow citizens deserve it.
The Charlotte Housing Opportunity Investment Fund provides low-cost social impact capital for Ascent to acquire naturally occurring affordable housing. That low-cost social impact capital allows us to buy quality communities in great neighborhoods in Charlotte, maintain long-term deed restrictions that serve residents from 30 to 80% of area median income. Lake Miss is a wonderful property. It's 144 units on a light rail stop just off of South Boulevard. We have a majority of 2-bedroom units that caters to families with young children especially.
2 years ago, when we started working on the Charlotte Housing Opportunity Investment Fund, we knew that we had a big task ahead of us. We knew that we needed to come together as partners in a great way to be able to provide more housing in Charlotte. We've done so. However, there is much more work to be done. We must continue to work together, and we must continue to have innovative solutions if we are going to see our community and our city thrive.
My grandson, he's 9. He lives in Salisbury. He's a good kid. I didn't have him too much when I was living in the hotel. I didn't want him in the environment, but I can't wait for him to come to Lake Miss Apartments because it's a nice, safe environment. There's a lot of kids, and it's friendly people around here, so I just can't wait for him to come. I would like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You're really helping some people that really, really need it, and it's going to really, really help some families with children and just people in general. But I really want to say thank you, really.